Hi, everybody. I'm going to try to do some ckla today with you guys today. So if you could put your eyes on, put your eyes are watching, your ears are listening, your mouths are quiet, and our bodies are calm. So we're going to try to do this today. I think we can do it. And we're going to blend some sounds. Are you ready to blend some sounds? So get your arms out. Get that arm out. Are you ready? Okay, so one, that's our beginning sound. So everybody touch your top of your shoulder, which is one. And then the middle part of our arm is two. And then we have the third sound, which is right here on our wrist. So then we blend it all down. There we go. Are you ready to try to blend? Here we go. At mat. Ish wish. Oop. Eat meat. I fight. It sit. Zip. Zip. Sun. Oop. Okay, ready? Eat meat. Kiss all your brains. I kissed them all for you. Okay, ready? We're gonna blend. Are you ready to blend? Okay, this word is shell. 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 This word is mice. I mice. All right, so let's see. I'm going to blend a word. You're going to tell me what word I'm blending. So are you ready? Sh-a-ol. Sh-a-ol. What's the word? What's the word? Shell. There it is right here. The shell. Let's see if I'm right. I'm right. I hope you're all right too. Okay, how about this one? Ready? I. I. What's the word? Mice. All right, let's see if I'm right. I'm right. Were you all right? I was right. It's a mice. Oops. My mouse on my computer is not working very well. There it is. This is a fan. The word fan has 3 sounds. Watch as I blend and segment the word, and then you'll repeat after me. Ready? Fan. This is a wave. The word wave has 3 parts, 3 sounds. Watch as I blend and segment this word. So here you go. A. What's the word? Wave. You guys are so smart. All right, ready? All right, I'm going to say a word. I want you to point to the word that I'm saying, that I'm blending. Ready? Here it goes. Wave. Wave. What's the word? Wave. Which one's the wave? Which one's the wave? I'm going to say it's this one. That's the wave. I pointed that one. That's the wave. Am I right? Am I right? I'm right. Were you right? Good job. All right, let's try this one. Ready? And what's the word? Fan. Let's see, were we right? I was right. Yay! All right, ready? That's it. We're all done. So what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to practice drawing some spirals. So everybody put your finger up. You put your finger up. We're going to practice drawing some spirals. You ready? Go spiral, 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 spiral. Round and around and around and around and around and around. Good job, my buddies. Okay, you're going to hop over onto Seesaw and you're going to practice doing some spirals. Remember, we did this the other day in class with our whiteboards, but now you're going to do it with some crayons and some paper. So go have some fun, my buddies. Thanks for coming. Bye.